State of Michigan, 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins presiding. While court is in session, there will be no smoking, eating, drinking, sleeping, and or laying down. I will ask that if you have on any hats or hoodies, that you please remove them unless due to religious purposes. Thank you, everyone. Good morning to Judge. Good morning to everyone.
Ms. Miller, you can go ahead.
Buenos días a todos y bienvenido a la Corte del Honorable Juez Sean B. Perkins. Mientras estamos en sesión, le queremos pedir a todos, por favor, que no estén ni comiendo, ni tomando, ni fumando, no estén ni manejando, que no estén recostados o durmiendo. Y si tienen alguna gorra o cachucha puesta, por favor, quítenselo, a menos que sea por razones religiosas. Y repito, bienvenidos.
All right. Ready, Ms. Williams? Are we ready, Mr. Berry?
Ready, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit versus Angela Renato Soto, case numbers SP 166-89181, SP 128-4408, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, may I have her name again? I only have Soto.
Angela Isabel Granados Soto.
Thank you, Your Honor. Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Ángela Isabel Reinada Soto. Números de caso SP 166-89181 y SP 128-4408, cargos 1 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta.
Mi nombre es Ángela Granados Soto.
My name is Angela Granados.
Granados con O.
Granados Soto. Ajá.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Y yo soy Elwood S. Berry Jr. representando a la acusada, su señoría.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Today is date and time set for a pre-trial. Have we got a resolution, Mr. Berry?
Este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener la consulta previa al juicio. ¿Por acaso ya tenemos una resolución, señor Berry?
We believe so, Your Honor. My client stands ready to enter, to avail herself of the offer of the people to allow her to enter a plea of failure to display and the remaining matters to be dismissed.
Sí, creo que sí, su señoría. Nosotros hemos recibido una oferta de resolución de la fiscalía a la cual ella está dispuesta a aceptar, y la oferta es esta, de declararse culpable al cargo modificado de que faltó demostrar una licencia de conducir. Los otros cargos quedarían desestimados.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Soto?
Y eso es lo que usted quiere hacer, señora Soto.
Sí, quiero pagar el ticket, la consecuencia de mis actos.
Yes, I want to pay the ticket as a consequence of my actions.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please?
¿Puede usted levantar la mano derecha, por favor?
The other right.
La otra mano derecha.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Jura usted o declara solemnemente que va a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Lo juro.
I swear it.
Put your hand down.
Ya puede bajar la mano.
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or 500 fines?
Y comprende usted que la penalidad máxima en el caso suyo serían 93 días en la cárcel y o un máximo de $500 en multas?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Y comprende usted que usted tiene un derecho absoluto de ir a juicio?
Sí.
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Y el señor Berry revisó con usted sus otros derechos constitucionales. cuando estaban en la sala privada de consulta, ¿no es cierto?
Sí.
Yes.
You understood those rights?
¿Y usted comprendió sus derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
¿Y tiene usted alguna pregunta acerca de sus derechos?
Ah, todo bien.
No, everything's okay.
You know, by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
¿Y sabe usted que al aceptar esta oferta de resolución, usted renuncia a sus derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Y alguien le ha ofrecido a usted algo diferente de lo que ya hemos hablado en el acta?
No.
No.
Now, let me draw your attention back to December the 10th, 2021, at around 3:01 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Woodmere and Avis. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Entonces, permíteme llamarle la atención a la fecha del 10 de diciembre del 2021 en la ciudad de Detroit, aproximadamente a las 3:01 de la tarde, en el área de las calles de Woodmere y Avis. ¿Tuvo usted ocasión de encontrarse con un policía del Departamento de Policía de la ciudad de Detroit?
Diciembre.
It says you were
December.
driving a 1998 Nissan tan in color.
¿Estaba usted manejando un vehículo Nissan del año 1998, color caramelo, crema?
No, ese no era mi carro.
No, that was not my car.
Well, I didn't ask whether it was your car or not. Were you driving it that day and did you get pulled over?
Yo no le pregunté si era su carro, le pregunté que si ese día usted lo estaba manejando y si un policía la paró.
No, yo estoy acá en esta corte porque me paró un policía en el mes de febrero en una Ford Escape.
No, I'm here in this court because the police officer stopped me in February and I was driving a Ford Escape.
No, you have another ticket here for the old ticket back in 2021, December the 10th, 2021, says you were driving this 1998 Nissan and got stopped in the area of Woodmere and Avis and did not have a valid license, nor did you have insurance.
No, yo me refiero a una boleta de infracción vieja que usted recibió en el 2021, lo recibió el 10 de diciembre de 2021 y en ese día, ese momento, iba usted manejando un vehículo marca Nissan del año 1998 y cuando la paró el policía, usted no tenía ni licencia vigente ni tampoco seguro de vehículo vigente.
Sí, ese es positivo, pero estoy totalmente confundida.
Yes, that's a yes, but I am completely confused.
All right, whether you were driving it, you were driving it. Were you driving that day? And they said they advised you on but didn't give you a ticket on a disregard and a stop sign?
Bueno, o lo estaba manejando o que ellos me dicen aquí que no le dieron boleta de infracción por haber parado, por haber faltado de parar en un alto.
Sí, eso que el juez está diciendo, sí es cierto.
Yes, that what the judge is saying now, that's true.
And you got stopped that day, is that correct?
Y ese día la pararon a usted, ¿es eso correcto?
Sí.
Yes.
And you were operating that motor vehicle that day, is that correct?
¿Y era usted quien estaba manejando ese vehículo motorizado ese día, es correcto? Yes, yes.
And the officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license, did he not?
Y el policía le pidió a usted que le enseñara una licencia vigente de conducir, ¿no es cierto?
Sí.
Yes.
You couldn't do that, could you, ma'am?
Pero eso usted no lo pudo hacer, ¿no es cierto?
Sí.
Yes.
Why is that?
¿Por qué razón?
El carro solo ese estaba arruinado y solo lo estábamos llevando para la casa del mecánico.
Because the car was not working and we were on our way to the mechanic.
But you got a ticket for driving without a driver's license. Did you have a driver's license?
Pero usted recibe una boleta de infracción por no tener una licencia de conducir. ¿Tenía usted ese día una licencia de conducir?
No, su señoría.
No, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display. With the stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other two matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Así que encuentro que su cliente es culpable del cargo modificado de que faltó de enseñar una licencia de conducir, y si usted lo estipula que hay causa razonable, los otros dos cargos los estipulo ahora mismo, abogado. Sí, los estipulo.
All right, $240, ma'am. When can you pay it? That's the fine.
Así que la multa es $240, señora. ¿Para cuándo pudiera usted pagar esta cantidad?
Mañana mismo.
Tomorrow I can.
Pay it by Monday, May Cinco de Mayo. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, ma'am. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Bueno, señora, yo le voy a dar hasta el lunes, el 5 de mayo del 2025, para que alcance a pagar ese monto. Usted puede pagarlo en cualquier de los kioscos que se encuentran en la ciudad de Detroit, que se llaman DivDat. También usted puede poner el app en su teléfono de DivDat, o puede pasar en persona a pagarlo aquí mismo en la corte. Esas son las dos mejores maneras de uno poder pagar.
¿No puede hablar por llamada de teléfono?
Could I not make a phone call to pay?
Any further questions?
¿Alguna otra pregunta?
Necesito que me que me deletree los kioscos para escribirlos bien y poder ir a pagar.
Yes, I need to have the name of those kiosks spelled for me so that I can go and make the payment.
DIVDAT. They're at the Myers. They're at the CVS's in the city of Detroit. And I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone.
Y se deletrea D de David, I, V de Víctor, D de David, A, T de Tomás. DivDat. Y me han dicho que se encuentran esas máquinas en las tiendas de Myers y también las farmacias de CVS. Pero también usted puede poner el app en su teléfono, el DivDat app en su teléfono, para pagarlo de esa manera.
Gracias.
Thank you.
If you don't have any further questions, ma'am, you have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Si usted no tiene alguna otra pregunta, señora, le deseamos muy buen día y buena suerte.
Bendiciones, muchas gracias por su ayuda, y al señor juez y al abogado.
I wish many blessings to you, and I want to thank the attorney very, very much, and the interpreter.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Que tenga muy buen día.
This is the city of Detroit versus Gurney Galvis Trevera, case number SP 155-28851. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Bachman.
Sí.
Miss Villarreal, you'll need to interpret as well. I'm sorry.
Okay, no, that's fine, Your Honor. I just need the name.
Okay, that would be Gurney, Griney, Galvis, Galvis hyphen Tavera, Tavera.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Detroit versus Gurney, Galvis, Tavera, case number SP 155-28851. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Gurney, Galvis, Tadera, número de caso SP 155-28851. Que todos
Sí.
tienen nombres.
Good
Yes.
morning. My name
Es
is Harry
Green Day.
Boffman. I represent the defendant. Would you, ma'am, state your name?
Buenos días, yo soy Harry Boffman, estoy representando a la acusada. Usted, señora, diga su nombre.
Mi nombre es Griney Galvis.
Thank you.
My name is Gurney Galvis. Gracias.
So, Your Honor, this matter is here for a pretrial. I have made arrangements for all discovery, and we have a trial date of May 19th. I will be ready.
Su señoría,
Ok.
este caso está aquí hoy para la consulta previa al juicio. Ya yo he hecho una solicitud para recibir las pruebas recíprocas y estamos listos para proceder para un juicio el 19 de mayo.
Okay, May 19th, trial date is already in the system. If you don't have anything further, Ms. Galvez, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Muy bien, señora Galvis, entonces esta fecha está en el sistema computarizado y la veremos para esa fecha para su juicio. Y si no tiene alguna otra pregunta, que tenga usted muy buen día y buena suerte usted.
Ok, muchas gracias. O sea que ya me puedo retirar.
Thank you very much. So does that mean that I can now leave?
You may.
Sí, se puede
Miss-
retirar.
Miss Galvez Trevera, I will contact you by text today.
Señora Galvis Tadera, yo me voy a poner en contacto hoy mismo con usted.
Ok, perfecto.
Okay,
Thank you.
perfect.
All right, have a great day now.
Que tenga usted un día muy bueno, señora.
Igual para ustedes, gracias.
Same to you and thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Marco Antonio Gonzalez, case number SP 159-78972. Appearance for the record, please.
Llamamos ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Marco Antonio González, números de caso CP 159788972, que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Good morning, Harry Boffman, P 55052, representing the defendant. Mr. Gonzalez, please state your name for the record.
Buenos días, yo soy Harry Boffman, el abogado representando al acusado, número de abogado P55052. Usted, señor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta. Señor González. Prenda micrófono, turn on your mic. Prenda micrófono.
Marco Antonio Calvo González.
Marco Antonio
Calvo González.
González.
Thank you, Your Honor. This matter is here for pretrial. I've made all necessary arrangements for discovery. We do have a trial date set for May 19th. I will be prepared, and we ask that the not guilty plea be continued here today.
Sí, su señoría, este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener la consulta previa al juicio. Ya yo he hecho mi solicitud para recibir todas las pruebas recíprocas en tiempo. La fecha para ir a juicio es el 19 de mayo del 2025. Ya yo estoy preparado para proceder. Vamos a continuar nuestra declaración de no culpable.
The trial date will be May 19th at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Mr. Gonzalez, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Muy bien, así que la fecha para su juicio, señor González, es el 19 de mayo del 2025 a las 9 de la mañana. Si usted no tiene algo que agregar, le deseamos mucha suerte y muy buen día.
No, todo está bien. Muchas gracias.
No, everything's okay. Thank you so much.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Cody Dupree Lido, case number SP 1242271, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 124238661. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. Cherika Harris, P 72832 on behalf of Mr. Lytle. Please state your name for the record.
Cody Lytle.
Good
And
morning
for-
to you, sir. There's date time set for a pretrial. Ms. Paris, give Mr. Lytle an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Mr. Lytle, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Ms. Harris, he has a few civil infractions that he hasn't paid. He paid a reinstatement fee, but he owes $291, $198, $144, and $216 on the civil infractions, all right?
Okay. Just curious, was a court-appointed attorney requested?
No, not that I see.
Okay.
All right. Pass the matter. This is the city of Detroit versus LaMarcus Terrell Locke, case number SP 106-45611. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Locke. You have to unmute.
All right, this is Lamarcus Terrell Locke.
Morning to you, sir. Day is the date and time set for a pretrial. Have you had an attorney contact you?
No, sir.
Let's get one in here on the spot. Maybe Mr. Bachman?
I'm sorry?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm ready.
This has a trial date set for May the 19th as well. Put your appearance on the record, Mr. Bachman, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman, P 55052 on behalf of the defendant.
Date and time set for pretrial. I'm going to give you an opportunity to acquaint yourself, Mr. Locke. It does have supplying false information to a police officer. That's the nature of the allegation. It doesn't have any notes at all that suggest what the allegation is about. It goes back to 2/9/2020.
Okay, Judge, I can meet with the defendant with your permission in the breakout room, and I believe I can be
There's a
prepared for that
trial
May
date
19th
already.
trial date.
There's a trial date already of the 19th, so.
All right, I'll be ready for that.
If there's nothing further, then Mr. Locke is free to leave, but if you need something from the court, you guys can come back in and see. All right, Mr. Locke, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Mr. Bachman. He's gonna be your attorney moving forward and have a conversation with him. And you have an absolute right to a trial. He can get you an offer today, or he can get you that trial date, and it'll be set already in the system for the 19th. All right, join the room, please.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, the Samsung, gentlemen, are you Mark Guilford on that Samsung? Yeah, unmute yourself, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning.
City of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Mark Guilford, case number SP 1131472. Appear to the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Guilford.
Mark Guilford.
For purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
There are not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Guilford, I'm gonna put you in a breakout with Mr. Berry. He's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Okay?
Okay.
Join the room, please.
Good morning, Your Honor.
How are
Good
you?
morning. I'll be floating in about 4 or 5 courtrooms, but we got a docket sheet for today.
You don't see that.
All good? Okay,
And if you want to zoom in,
I will.
you can just give me on the spot.
Okay, will do. Madam Officer, does anybody have my cell phone number? Just in case I don't zoom in, you know, before you, when you need me. Yeah.
On the telephone there at 586-480-6071. Good morning to you. What's your name, please?
544.
Telephone 586-480-6071.
Here you go. Yeah.
La persona que está en el teléfono 1596-4808-6071. ¿Quién es usted?
On the telephone at 586-480-6071.
La persona con el número de teléfono 586-480-6071. ¿Quién es usted?
What is your name?
¿Su nombre?
Hold on a second. Oh, Dito Gochevic?
Yes.
All right. That's Mr. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Ogletree.
I don't understand.
Okay.
On the Samsung device, I'm gonna ask you to unmute yourself. Turn your camera on. State your name, please. Samsung, I just sent you the prompt.
Mark Guilford.
No, not you, Mr. Gilbert. We've already spoken.
Oh, okay.
Ma'am, what is your name, please?
Señora, ¿cuál es su nombre, por favor?
Me permite tantito. Teresa Martínez López. Teresa Martínez López.
Teresa Martínez López.
Ya.
Buenos días.
Prenda micrófono. Buenos días.
iPhone, unmute yourself, please, and state your name. Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
What is your name, please?
Shantez Gibson.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning as well.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lytle. Mr. Lytle, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants an appointed attorney.
Yes, Your Honor. I provided his contact information in the chat.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Lytle?
Yes.
All right, let's see if we can get an attorney on the spot. Hold on a second. Bring me that. All right, let's pass that matter. Here, you want this now? Yeah.
Oh. This that girl, yeah, that's that lady. She's from, this was a case from 327, but probation, Jamila did one, but they say they can't find it, and, you know, she's not here for her to fill up hers, so. And the lady came in yesterday for her first appointment.
All right,
Yeah.
let's pass that now. Let's call. City of Detroit versus Ma Lopez, case number SP 166-18411. Appearance for the record, please.
Bob López necesita intérprete.
Sí.
Oh, okay, Your Honor. Bob López, SP.
SP 166-18411.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Bob López. Número de caso SP1 6618-411. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Okay.
Erica Harris on behalf of Miss Martinez Lopez. Please state your name for the record.
Yo soy Cherica Harris representando a la señora Martínez López. Usted, por favor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Teresa Martínez López.
Teresa Martinez Lopez.
Sí.
Yes.
And it's for pretrial, correct, Your Honor?
Estamos aquí para la consulta previa al juicio. ¿Es eso correcto, su señoría? Sí.
Yeah, you can give Ms. Martinez Lopez, Ms. Harris, the copy of the allegation.
Usted le puede dar una copia de las alegaciones.
I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Ms. Harris and Ms. Lopez have a conversation. Let us know what you want to do. Ms. Harris is gonna get you an updated offer. Let us know what you want to do when you get out.
Así que, señora López, la vamos a pasar ahora virtualmente a una sala de consulta con la abogada Harris y ella le va a dejar saber cierta información y usted cuando regrese nos deja saber qué quiere hacer con su casa.
Ok.
Ok. Acepte la invitación donde dice join o unirse. Join o unirse. Tocar ahí donde dice join o unirse.
That's the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Guilford. Mr. Guilford, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, as it turns out, my client has shown valid registration. We seek dismissal.
All right, I'm going to dismiss the case, Mr. Guilford, and waive the warrant fee if it's nothing further. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. Same to you. I can go now, right?
Okay. City of Detroit versus Drashawn Lakey, case number, is it Lackey? Case number SP 1580925. Appearance for the record.
Elwood F. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lakey.
Drashawn Lakey.
Lakey. All right, sorry about that, sir. Good morning to you. For purposes of arraignment, counsel.
Yes, Your Honor, we would, my client would stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lakey, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Mr. Berry's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind. Do you have, do you mind me asking your client, does he have a valid license, Mr. Berry?
Please, Your Honor.
Do you have a valid license, Mr. Lakey?
Yes.
Can you run his license, please? On the iPhone, let's pass them out momentarily. On the iPhone, sir, good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Sean T. S. Gibson.
Say that again. You need to take your hat off, sir, please. Mr. On the iPhone, what is your name?
Terrence Graves.
Terrence
Graves.
Graves. Good morning to you, Mr. Graves.
Good morning.
Let's go back on the record, Mr. LaKey. That's Mr. LaKey. I want to dismiss your case for providing valid documentation. The license is valid, Mr.
Yes, Your Honor.
LaKey. All right, no way to warrant a fee. There's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Barry. City of Detroit versus Shantez Gibson, case number SP 145-66921, SP 165-3234, count 1 and count 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gibson.
Shantez Dwight Gibson.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Gibson, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Mr. Berry's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right? Join the room, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gibson. Mr. Gibson, I've given you an opportunity to speak to council. Council, what your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date so that he might return with documents.
So what you want to do, Mr. Gibson?
Yes.
All right, come back on May the 23rd, 2025 at 8:30 a.m. All right, have a very good day. Best of luck to you. If you don't have any further questions, you're free to leave.
You as well.
Thank you. City of Detroit versus Terrence S. Graves. Case number SP 784-673, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 897-3191, 17-36-8997, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Graves.
Harris Don Graves.
All right, let's pass the matter, Mr. Graves. Your matter is set, and anybody that's set for Mr. Gilmore, good morning to you. Anybody that's set for 9 o'clock trial, I'm gonna give the officers a half-hour grace period to check in. If they don't check in by 9:30, we'll get you out of here. Mr. Berry, Mr. Graves does have a valid license.
Your Honor, this matter is also set for pretrial.
I'm sorry. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Graves. So Mr. Graves does have a valid license, Mr. Berry. I'm gonna put you in a breakout with Mr. Graves with Mr. Berry. He's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, then you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter.
Always a pleasure, Judge. Good morning.
Same here. Mr. Locke, I don't know what he's still doing there. Mr. Lytle, as soon as Mr. Hoffman comes out, I'm gonna get you in to speak with him, and he'll be your attorney moving forward.
All right, thank you.
No, that's gonna be your attorney, Bob. I don't think it's much else to say. You can sit down on the bottom. At the bottom over there, I'll let you know. I'll let you know. Okay. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Graves. Mr. Graves, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Well, good morning, Your Honor, again. My client seeks a bench trial date to return with documents.
All right, that's what you want to do, Mr. Graves?
Yes.
Come back, May the 23rd, 2025 at 9 a.m., all right?
All right.
Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too. Thank you.
Okay. All right, we'll wait on Gilmore, Mr. Gilmore, we're gonna give him a few more minutes. You only one officer to show, so far. Mr. Lewis, we're waiting on Mr. Bachman to come out. I talked to you already, Mr. Lytle. Let's go with, Golden. Mr. Golden, I understand that you're trying to withdraw your plea. No. Where's Gold? Unmute yourself, please. I can't, you got, first of all, you have to take your hat off. I can't understand what you're saying.
Sorry about that, Your Honor. Sorry, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. Mr. Berry, if you want to speak to the city attorney on this, Mr. Golden has pled as charged to a supplying false information to a police officer. He indicates to the court that he didn't know that this was going to affect his driver's license. He had some other charges, improper plate, unregistered, untitled, no insurance, misdemeanor. I think probably all those other ones were dismissed. I'll give you an opportunity to approach the city and see if they have any objection to it.
Is he on the docket?
He is not on the docket. He is not on the docket.
Okay,
all the other. Go ahead.
I will speak to the prosecutor.
Very well. All right. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lopez. Ms. Lopez, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Volvemos ahora en el acta con el caso de la señora López. Señora López, yo le di la oportunidad de hablar con una abogada defensora en una sala privada. Dígame, abogada, ¿qué van a hacer?
Your Honor, my client needs the appointment of counsel. There is no plea offer at this time.
Su señoría, no tenemos una oferta de resolución de parte de la fiscalía, así que vamos a pedirle a la corte un abogado nombrado para ella para este caso.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, let's see if Bachman can handle these cases since we have him in here. Let's pass the matter. I'm gonna wait on Mr. Bachman to come out.
Bueno, vamos a ver si el señor Bachman, quien es abogado, puede quedarse en cargo de este caso. Ya él pronto sale.
Okay, gracias.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
So you'd be lying.
Mr. Grimes. All All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Locke. Mr. Baldwin, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to Mr. Locke. What does your client want to do?
We're continuing this matter till trial May 19th, Your Honor. The defendant has been advised of his rights, and I've made all proper requests for the discovery in this case.
All right, very well, Mr. Locke. If you don't have anything further, you best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you. Continue. Have a prosperous day.
You too, thank you. All right, Mr. Baughman, what's Mr. It's called the City of Detroit versus Stephen Edward Lewis. Case number SP 1643441, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Baughman, P55052 for the defendant. Sir, your full name, please.
Lewis, you have to unmute yourself, sir.
Stephen Lewis.
Your Honor, this matter is here for a pretrial. It's already set for a bench trial on May 19th. I'd ask you to continue the defendant's not guilty plea here today. With respect to discovery, I have not received anything yet, but I know there's been some shakeups in the Corporation Counsel office, and I've renewed my request and expect to be prepared for trial on May 19th. Please and thank you.
Very well. All right, Mr. Lewis, trial date, May 19th, 2025, 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Hey, thank you. You as well, Your Honor.
Mr. Lewis, I sent you a request for you to email me a summary of the events from that caused us to be together. Would you send me an email, please?
Hey, can you send me your email address again?
Yeah, I will.
Go ahead and breakout room, Mr. Baughman, and speak to him.
Is there any way else I can help?
Yes, go to room 5, Mr. Lewis. Wait on Mr. Baughman for a second, okay?
I'll be there.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Baughman, I'm gonna let you go talk to him first, but I have Cody Lytle, and Ma Lopez.
All right.
Go speak to Mr. Lewis, get his email address, and then come on back out, and then we will deal with Mr. Lytle and then Ms. Lopez.
Okay, I'll be right back. Thank you again.
The City of Detroit versus Christopher Charles Gilmer, case numbers SP 138-51841, SP 1666170, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1666131. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Gilmore, please state your name for the record. You have to unmute your device.
All right. My name is Christopher Charles Gilmore.
All right. Good morning to you, Mr. Gilmore. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Officer Tighty.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm Officer Tight.
All right. Does the department and badge number, please?
Detroit Police Department, badge 3422.
All right, you got to turn your camera on, please. All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. It is Officer Gray here. Officer Gray. Is there an Officer Schramberg? Officer Schramberg. Hearing no response.
Defense moves to dismiss, Your Honor.
I'm going to grant the motion to dismiss. No officer. Mr. Gilmore, speak to Ms. Harris in a breakout room. She's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, today is the date and time set for a trial, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. Yes. Join the room, please.
Okay, I'm sorry to interrupt.
All right, you ready, Mr. Baughman?
I am.
Let's pass that matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Cody Lytle. Mr. Cody Lytle, I've given you, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Mr. Lytle wants can you handle 2 more cases, Mr. Baughman?
Yes, Your Honor, I can. I'm happy to help.
All right, let me put you in a breakout room, Mr. Lytle, get acquainted, and then we'll get let's try to move this along quickly. Your trial date is on the 23rd. All right, so let us know what you want to do when you come out, Mr. Lytle, after speaking to Mr. Baughman. All right, join the room, please. Oh, we need a city attorney.
Your Honor,
Yes.
as to Mr. Golden, how long has it been since he entered the plea?
It's been recent. He entered the plea on 4/24 or so, just a few weeks ago. Just 4/24, just last week.
Thank you. Again, Your Honor, the charge as to Mr. Golden?
The charge was supplying false info to or ID to a police officer. And then he had other charges as well. No insurance, as I remember. I'm going to give them all to you. No insurance misdemeanor, unregistered, untitled, and improper plate. And those matters were dismissed per the plea. Mr. Golden, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. Have a conversation with him. Wait on him to finish doing what he's doing. All right.
Ms. Walker is coming into the courtroom.
Very good. All right, we're gonna wait on the city attorney to come on in. She's coming in now, I believe.
Okay, yes, sir.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gilmore. Mr. Gilmore, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we're actually asking if the court could give us just a few moments. Mr. Gilmore needs to contact his insurance agent because he's not able to access the document at this time, and it's an online document.
Let's pass the matter. Grimes, where's Grimes? Is Grimes gone? He was here, he's gone now, he didn't show up yesterday, so he missed his trial date. I don't know where he. Really called him? He had came late. Yeah, it came in like. So. It's not Katie's internet. I'm not Facebook. Oh, very good. What he came in this morning, so he didn't call. He didn't call. I don't know what happened. You can raise your hand in the chat. I mean, in the Zoom, Mr. Gilmore, when you're ready to go with your documentation.
Say that again, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
On the Zoom, when you're ready to go, let us know.
Oh, I mean, I have to wait till they open around 10 o'clock, and that's when they open their office.
All right.
It's 9:40 right now. Are you saying? Go ahead, speak. Because I'm on the fact that the situation is that I'm using my phone for this Zoom, and I don't know if I can.
Go ahead and come back in. Come back in.
Okay. Thank you. I'll see you in a little bit.
All right. Very good. Very good. Officer Tighty.
Yes, Your Honor.
Either Mr. Gilmore is going to get the documents, and that generally the city attorney dismisses without documents, or I don't know what more. Unless counsel wants you to stay, I don't know what more you need, but.
Your Honor, if he gets those documents, I'm good to dismiss.
Okay. So if that's okay, we'll make sure if he gets it, we'll make sure that he has it. If you want to leave, you're free to leave, but if not, you can stay. You're more than welcome to stay.
I'm trying to find a way to hang this up right now too.
No, I'll hang you up, Mr. Gilmore. Just come on back in when you get the documents.
Yes, sir.
Your Honor.
Yes.
And if I leave now, do I have to log back in?
No, I wouldn't suspect at all. You can just leave your number in the chat, the contact, but on a no insurance, I don't expect that it's gonna be much that really needs to be said, right? It's like, you had already written, you know? And
yes, Your Honor.
if he's gonna get the documentation, then that'll kind of remedy things. Leave your number in the chat just in case, and then if we need you, we'll call you back.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and be safe out there too.
Yep, you too. Thank you, sir.
Thanks. The city attorney in here, please. You gotta sweep the wheel. She said she. Ms. Medina, good morning to you.
Hi, good morning, Your Honor.
Who are you here on?
I am here on Lopez Romero, and he should be logging on from my office momentarily, Judge.
I hope I'm not interrupting, Judge. We're ready on Cody.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Cody Lido. Mr. Cody Lido, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Okay, please court Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant. We're going to keep that May 23rd bench trial date, Your Honor, and we're going to come back prepared to deal with this on that date and time.
All right, you're, okay, Mr. Lido, that's what you want to do?
Yes.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Your Honor, may I just mention a housekeeping matter with regard to Mr. Lytle? I believe there are only 4 counts on the docket, and there are some additional counts that are that he's eligible for us to service for him. Can we just confirm that in all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 counts will be set for trial that day, please?
No, those are civil infractions,
Right.
and the 2 are super old, and the other 2 are last year sometime. Let's see.
I'll give you the information.
On the
July 2024 was the offense date on the last 2.
ask the city attorney up there the objection to setting those defaults aside. There's a speeding ticket, 1 to 5, and a no insurance proof. And the date July. It went into default on August the 26th, 2024.
Yes, Your Honor. I have spoken with Mr. Morgan this morning, and he did indicate that he would have no objection to us consolidating as many cases as the court would find in its discretion were reasonable.
And Ms. Walker, appearance for the record, please.
Anna Walker on behalf of the people, P53794.
All right, any objection to setting those aside, 2 that were just last year, not the other 2 older ones.
So we have defaults.
I'm sorry, Judge, I missed the beginning of that. What are we setting?
Sorry.
We're setting aside the plea?
No, he's gonna set a matter for trial on some tickets. He has some civil infractions that were in default. He has 4 civil infractions in default. We're only talking about the 2. The other 2 were back in 2021. These were back in, went in default on August 2024.
Oh, that's fine, Judge. I have no objection to that at all.
Thank you.
No objection. Let's also include SP 1606381 counts 1 and counts 2 into that record. Mr. Lytle will trial/formal hearing on that May 23rd day. Okay.
Thank you.
Best of luck to you, Mr. Lytle. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too. Do as well. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Mr. Baughman, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Miss Lopez, Teresa Martinez Lopez. I'm going to send you a copy of the allegation. Let's send this to Mr. Baughman now. Send Mr. Reed your email address for this. And I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Villarreal and Ms. Lopez, Ma Lopez, and she has an absolute right to a trial. So join the room, please.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Oh my.
A copy of the ticket is coming.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's, what are we doing with Mr. Golden?
Well, we lost Miss Walker.
I don't think we did. Did we lose Miss Walker already?
Yeah, she left. She thought she had finished.
No.
All
Can
right.
you have her back?
Yes, sir.
She has some other issues as well as some other people, and more people are showing.
Your Honor, Ms. Martinez Lopez did not come into the breakout room. I'll check again.
She's in there now. She's in there now.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Your Honor,
Yes.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I was wondering, is the prosecutor available to speak with them?
That's what we're waiting on her to come back now.
All right, thank you, Judge.
Ms. Walker is in breakout room 4.
Is she in there? Is she in there? I don't see her anymore.
She just indicated that that's where she was on the phone.
Oh, she's in breakout room 7.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'm going to go there too.
I'm gonna put your client in 8, Ms. Medina. Mr. Lewis, why are you late?
There's no excuse for why I'm late. I just woke up late.
All right. Don't be late next time. Let's get timely. Mr. Keelan. iPhone.
Good, Your Honor. How are you?
Pronunciation correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
What's your full name?
Keelan Crowley.
Crowley?
Yes, Your Honor.
Turn your camera on. All right, there you go. Oh, you're Officer Crowley. All right. You're late as well.
Sorry, Your Honor. I had a late run.
Crowley, who are you here on?
Jonathan Luna.
Oh, well, you're not late because Jonathan Luna didn't show up. So what's good for the goose is good for the gander. And I'm going to give him another few minutes, 10 o'clock. If he doesn't show, you and Corporal Croxton can leave. Good morning to you.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Then Corporal Croxton might have left.
Your Honor, if you want to put Mr. Lewis in a breakout room, I can speak with him if you would like.
Oh, okay, let's do that. Let's do that. I'm sorry. City of Detroit versus Dwayne Anthony Lewis, case number 237-526-561, SP 105-0382-2, SP 143-86811, SP 152-6737, counts 1, SP 1526895 SP 1633604, counts 1 through counts 2. SP 1526737, counts 2 and counts 3. Appears for the record, please.
Kara Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lewis, please state your name for the record.
Yes, my name is Dwayne Lewis.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Turn your camera on, Mr. Lewis. Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Will give your client a $0 bond. We'll be able to link this time. Mr. Lewis, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Let me see here, before you go. All right, I just see two civil infractions, a brake light ticket and an interfering with pedestrian traffic ticket that are old, 144, 174. Put Mr. Luna, join the room and speak with Ms. Harris, okay?
All right.
I mean, Mr. Lewis, I'm sorry. Join the room, speak with Ms. Harris. Okay, officers Croxton, Corporal Croxton and Officer Crawley, you two are free to leave. It's 10:01 now, and Mr. Luna has the show. You're muted.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Y'all be safe out there. Okay, you too.
Thank
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lewis. Mr. Lewis, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. The counsel wants a pre-trial date. We're back on the record with Mr. Lewis. Mr. Lewis on some pretrial day.
Yes, Your Honor, to give him an opportunity to visit the Secretary of State.
Pretrial is May the 19th, 2025, sir, at 8:30. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
Okay, you too, sir.
Ms. Medina, are you ready on your plan?
Yes, Your Honor, we are ready. It is going to be a dismissal.
Does he need an interpreter?
Yes, he does, Your Honor.
Give me a minute.
Thank
Mr. Berry and Ms. Walker, and I said good morning to you, Ms. Walker. What about Gold?
Golden is the gentleman who seeks to have his plea withdrawn. Ms. Walker indicates she has no objection. All of the other matters will return with that.
City of Detroit versus Deontay Dwayne Golden. Case numbers SP 168-1299, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 168-16361. Karen, for the record, please.
Shannon Walker, P 53794 on behalf of the people.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Golden.
Deontay Golden, sir.
Go ahead. Good morning to you again, Mr. Golden. We're here for today. You pled on May the 24th, I believe, 2025.
April 24th.
April, I'm sorry, thank you. April 24th, 2025, to a false ID that is affecting your ability to get a driver's license, of what I'm told. Giving up both councils opportunity to discuss the matter. Have we come up with a resolution outside of if the court decides to grant the motion to withdraw the plea? Mr. Bear?
He's only asked to stipulate to the motion to withdraw, which I will stipulate to the motion to withdraw, understanding that the rest of the matters would also be reinstated and all the matters would be set for trial.
Do we need to set a trial date, or can we resolve this with some sort of resolution today, as he's already pled to something?
Judge, I'd want to review the ticket to see what the false information was that was given to the officer. I have absolutely no idea what that is.
All right. All right. I'm gonna grant the motion to withdraw plea, and I'm gonna set a trial date for the 23rd of May, 2025 at 9 a.m. Do you need an attorney, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's get Mr. Boffman on this now, so he can so we don't have an issue of all right, give me a minute, Mr. Golden. I'm going to set you up with Mr. Boffman, and that way he can speak to you, that we don't have any issue of having any, we can quickly move forward on the 23rd, all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
I really hope this serves as a huge lesson to you.
Absolutely, Your Honor.
be thanking the prosecutor and thanking Mr. Berry for advocating on your behalf and Ms. Walker for agreeing to that, because it's that what it tells me is try to be slick.
Yes, Your Honor. I do like to thank Ms. Walker and Mr. Berry for allowing me another chance. I do appreciate it.
You're welcome, Mr. Golden. We'll see you, next time. I need you to keep doing good things in the meantime.
Yes, ma'am. Appreciate it.
Let's see, can you get that file, Mr. Here, this one. If we can pull that. Probably downstairs or something. Let's order that file. What's Mr. Ogletree gonna do? Mr. Ogletree, what are you gonna do with Mr. Wojciech?
Judge, I believe he's going to ask for an adjournment. He got appointed recently and hasn't gotten his discovery yet. Are you back, Mr. Ogletree?
I'm not. Sorry,
Okay.
I get in charge of my computer.
Let's go. Let's City of Detroit versus Dito Wojciech, case numbers SP 169064111, V502800024, D503688924. Appearance for the record, please.
Shannon Walker on behalf of the people. Investigator Powell, would you put your name and badge number on the record, please?
This is Investigator Walter Powell, City of Detroit, licensing and permits, badge number 890.
Yes, Aaron Ocean about for the defendant, Mr. DiVincenzo. P number 697. Can you say your name?
Speak up louder, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Let's just set it for a trial.
Yeah, we were requesting one pretrial date. I was appointed on this case on the April 17th, and I did put in the request for discovery, so they still are giving additional time to get me discovery. So before setting up for a trial date, wanted to see if we could get the discovery.
Well, you're going to get the discovery soon. If not, then you can make the appropriate motion. but, it's already set actually for a trial date on June the 10th. So we're gonna keep that trial date, June the 10th. That gives you ample time to do what needs to be done.
Absolutely.
Mr. Ogletree.
Understood.
Mr. Goychevik, June the 10th, speak with, keep in touch with your counsel, all right? Your counsel, you and your counsel talk, all right?
Absolutely. Thank you very much, Your Honor.
If there's nothing further, be safe. All right, Mr. Ogletree, be safe. Mr. Powell, Investigator Powell, you be safe out there. Everybody have a very good weekend and best of luck to you all.
All right, thank you.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
All right. I was gonna give Golden to Boffman. And then we just have, Golden is going, Golden is gonna go to Boffman. You want to put them? Yeah. It's just not gonna be in it.
Oh, there she is.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lopez. Ms. Lopez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. What do you want to do?
Vamos a volver en el acta con el caso de la señora López. Señora López, yo le di a usted la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado en una sala privada de consulta. Abogado, ¿qué es lo que van a hacer?
Your Honor, Harry Baughman for the defendant. I want to reset this matter for pretrial so that I can gain discovery.
Su señoría Harry Baughman, representando a la acusada, yo quisiera que nos dé usted una fecha para regresar para la consulta previa al juicio, para que en este tiempo yo pueda conseguir las pruebas recíprocas.
I'm going to set it for a pretrial on May the 19th, 2025 at 8:30, and I'm marking the file needs Spanish interpreter.
Así que la fecha va a ser el 19 de mayo del 2025 a las 8:30 de la mañana. Y voy a marcar aquí en el expediente de ella que se necesita tener un intérprete de español presente ese día.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you very much.
All right, be in contact with your lawyer. Have a good day, Ms. Lopez. We'll see you on May 19th.
Así que manténganse en contacto con su abogado, señora, y nosotros la vamos a volver a ver a usted el 19 de mayo a las 8:30.
Tengo que tener un abogado yo, perdón.
Excuse me, do I have to have my own attorney?
Yo soy.
You have Mr. Baughman.
Usted tiene al señor Baughman, con quien acabó de
Okay.
Baughman.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank you.
okay, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Gracias.
El día 12 de mayo, ¿verdad? ¿El día qué?
So-
19.
So you said the 12th of May? No, the 19th of May?
Yeah, 19.
19th of May.
El 19 de
De
mayo.
mayo.
19th of May.
19 de mayo. Ok, mucho thank you.
Okay, it's okay. Thank
Gracias.
you. Gracias. Thank you.
¿Es todo?
Is that it?
That's it.
Es todo.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Thank
All
you.
right, let's go back. Hold on, Miss. I have one more for you, Miss Villarreal, too.
Yes,
It's almost like a Wednesday today on
it is.
Friday.
It seems like.
Let me get, let's call Deontay, let's go back on the record with Deontay Golden. Mr. Baughman, can you put your appearance on the record for Mr. Golden?
Harry Baughman for the defendant, Mr. Golden. Try to stand still and mute your device. We're going to let you get where you're going. Don't fall down, sir. Just take your time.
Ya se acabó.
Good. Your name, please.
Mr. Baughman, here's the deal. There was an agreement to stipulation to withdraw his plea. He pled to a false info ID. We're ordering the file now. Ms. Walker wants an opportunity to review and apprise yourself of what the actual allegations are instead of giving Mr. Golden an offer right now. And the court agrees with that. And we're setting a trial date for May the 23rd. I have to ask, I'm sure that I kind of know what the answer will be, but are you capable of again representing Mr. Golden? I know you got a lot on your plate today.
I am happy to help Mr. Golden and happy for the
I figured
time.
that would be the case. So, Mr. Golden, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Baughman. You guys exchange information. Mr. Baughman knows how to get in contact with all the people at the City Law Department for whatever he needs, and I'm sure he's gonna be prepared for the 23rd, as well as Ms. Walker will be too, okay?
Thank you.
If you don't have anything further after you speak to Mr. Baughman, Mr. Golden, you're free to leave, all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Best of luck to you. And we're gonna get that file and a copy of that ticket as soon as we can to you, Mr. Baughman.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'll be in the
All right.
breakout room. When I finish, can I excuse myself?
You may.
Thank you kindly. I hope you have a great weekend.
Thank you so much.
Bye, everybody.
This is the City of Detroit versus Nefertiti Orlando Lopez Romero, case number SP 1666171. Appearance for the record, please.
Llamamos el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Naftali Orlando López Romero. Número de caso SP16661721. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Shannon Walker, on behalf of the people, I've reviewed this matter. People are requesting a dismissal with a stipulation of probable cause.
Yo he revisado, habla Shannon Walker, y yo he revisado este asunto ya, y la fiscalía está pidiendo que se desestime este caso si hay causa razonable a cual pueden estipular.
And Crystal Marie Medina, Your Honor, on behalf of Mr. Lopez Romero, we would ask the court to adopt that, Your Honor, and we would stipulate to probable cause.
Y habla la abogada Crystal Marie Medina, y yo le pido a la corte que adopten esta recomendación y estipulo de que hay causa razonable.
Mr. Lopez Romero, can you state your name for the record, please?
Señor López Romero, ¿pudiera usted por favor decir su nombre para que conste en el acta?
Naftali López Romero.
Naftali Lopez Romero.
Good morning to you. Case dismissed with that stipulation. Have a very good day, everyone. Best of luck to you.
Buenos días a usted. Con esa información el caso queda desestimado. Que tenga usted buen día y buena suerte.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you very much, everyone. Have a very blessed and nice weekend.
Le doy las gracias a todos y que todos tengan un fin de semana bendecido.
Thank you, Ms. Villarreal. Have a very good weekend as well.
Thank you, Your
And
Honor.
we'll see you.
You do as well. See you next week.
Very well.
Bye-bye.
Mr. Gilmore, Ms. Harris, can you go in the breakout room and have a conversation, please?
Sure. Is there a breakout room for me to click on, sir? Thank you very much.
How are we doing, Judge?
Hopefully the last one. Very
Okay.
well. How about yourself? What about those other city attorneys? Are they getting up to speed?
Slowly but surely, yes, slowly but surely. So, it's a training curve, right? A lot, all these different tickets coming at you, all these different charges. Now that we're doing the state cases too, like it's just a lot.
And then it's dumb bunch of business traffic, and then we got some misdemeanors. Then you got the higher basically misdemeanors, and then I'm sure they're not in any of the felony stuff or anything like that. But
No, we're not doing the felonies, but we're getting ready to, we're trying to take over by ordinance the higher misdemeanors even. So we have ordinances that are getting ready to be presented to council. We're going to take over A and B retail fraud, larceny, B&E, all those up to 1 year misdemeanors that are normally in Judge Bryant, Judge Jones's courtroom, we're going to be taking over by ordinance.
That's a lot.
Oh, they don't pay me enough. Those are going to be here too then, you know, so then I'm going to have to, you know, add that into the mix. So.
Yeah, it is a lot.
Oh, you just don't know. But, you know, it's okay. It's okay.
Well, they say God won't put more on you than what you can handle.
That's what they say.
Sometimes it seems like it's a little bit overwhelming, but I know you can handle it.
I do try. You know, some days are better than others, but I do try. That's what yeah, whenever you hear something late like that.
Good morning. Who's on the phone at 369 at 6973986?
Yes, my name is Camille Gardner. I'm so sorry. I did not. I don't know if I was just trying to see if I could reschedule my court date. And this is the only paper that I have with the Zoom information on it, so I didn't know who to call.
City of Detroit versus Tamia Gardner. Case number is SP144536. Strike that. SP14453791. Appearance for the record, please.
Shannon Walker on behalf of the people.
Elwood S. Berry on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gardner.
Tamia Janae Lanice Gardner.
Gardner, T-A, Tamia, T-A-M-I-A. All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. Ms. Gardner, Mr. Berry is gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna run the license right quick to Mr. Berry to see if Ms. Gardner has a valid driver's license. Give me a moment. License is valid.
Your Honor, we move
I'm
for
sorry.
I have no objection,
You
Judge.
said it's invalid?
It is valid, Ms. Gardner, valid.
She can't even believe it, she can't even believe it herself. Ms. Gardner, I'm gonna dismiss this case, but you still owe these old civil infractions, 248, 144, 144, okay?
I owe how many?
3 civil infractions.
How many
243, 144, and 144, okay?
Okay.
It's $531.
$531?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, ma'am, I'm dismissing this case. I'll waive the warrant fee. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you. Congratulations on the license.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. All right, are we ready on Mr. Gilmer, Ms. Harris?
Ready, Your Honor. Valid insurance.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gilmer. Ms. Walker, Mr. Gilmer had no insurance charge and some other, but the officer didn't show up. They were big times after trial. The officer indicated before he left that he had no objection if Mr. Gilmer provided valid insurance. The officer of the court, Ms. Harris, indicated that she has seen valid insurance. Any objection to dismissal?
That was Officer Tite, Judge, T-I-T-E.
Yes.
No objection.
All right, if there's nothing further, Mr. Gilmore, I'm gonna dismiss the case and with stipulation of probable cause, the other matters will be dismissed, will be set on the record, and, I'm gonna waive the warrant fee.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Gilmore, you still owe 156 on an old traffic control device. Old traffic control, that went along, I think, with that old ticket, this insurance ticket. So 156 you'll owe as far as the traffic control device, all right?
Traffic control device?
So did they say basically at that time you ran a red light or a stop sign or something like that? That was back when the no insurance ticket was issued. Vehicle disregarded red traffic signal, scout initiated traffic stop. Yeah, so that was back then. That was in 11/11/2022 at 3:26 a.m. Jefferson and Brevard. The points have come and gone on that. The points have come and gone on that. It's just a 156.
I don't read that. Okay.
It's yeah. Well, I don't know what happened either. It's just old matter. All right, everything else is dismissed. Yes. All right, if there's nothing further, Mr. Gilmore, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Judge, I think that completes the docket for now.
I think so.
All right, thank you. Everybody have a good day.
All right, be safe. Oh. All right, everyone.